इसके बाद हमारी ये हाउस की फिल्म फटी पड़ी है।
So today we are here to present you the presentation which is related to the course Principles of Sociology. So let's start the presentation with the introduction. As culture is a set of accepted behavior, patterns, values, assumptions and shared common experiences. For instance, our ways of life and modes of behavior, our morals, manners, our customs and traditions. Secondly, culture defines the social structure, decision-making practices, and communication style. And culture is something adopted, depends upon life for its existence. Thirdly, one important point is that culture is basically a blueprint for living in a particular society.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Mohammed Kamran and my partner name is Mohammed Javed. So we are here to tell you about the culture of Istanbul, Turkey, the largest city of the Turkey, which is Istanbul.
जी नहीं आपको आपने
देखने को बहुत अच्छी देते हैं।
Culture whereby the strong loyalty is shown to the family and the social groups, and people relationship with their neighbors and community and friends are generally very strong. Muslims, and it is a mix of Jewish, Greek and American populations, and etc. And but nowadays Afghani language is also very common in Sweden or Istanbul. And Istanbul is most famous for the
Eat with a minced meat and vegetable and herbs with sauces.
इसके बाद हमारी ये हाउस की फिल्म फटी पड़ी है।
So today we are present the culture of laws and religious from USA. So second one is the festival उनके होते हैं जो न्यू ईयर है जैसे पाकिस्तान होता है यानी हाई कंट्री का जो न्यू ईयर मनाते हैं तो ये उनका होता है। उसके बाद इंडिपेंडेंस डे हो गया जैसे कि वो करते हैं अपने जो घर है उसको भी डेकोरेट करते हैं और थर्ड जो है वो हेलोवीन जो है घर से इस तरह के जो मिलते करते हैं और टाइप का होता है तो वो करते हैं और लास्ट बनाते हैं। उसके बाद है उनके फेमस फूड्स जो हैं सबसे पहले जो है सॉसेजेस जो है वो पाकिस्तान में भी है पर मोस्टली लोगों ने बताया लोग यानी नहीं खाते पर वो जो है वो यानी कैलिफोर्निया के लोग या जो अमेरिकन लोग होते हैं वो गोश्त से ही खाते हैं। और उसके बाद जो सेकेंड जो आप देख रहे हैं ये जो है वो टाकोस इसका नाम होता है जो इस तरह से जो है वो बनी हुई होती है तो ये भी उनका शेप होता है और एक वो भी शेप होता है लेकिन ये 7-8 प्लेट बना होता है तो उसमें जो है ये परोस के खाते हैं तो ये इनका होता है। बाकी बर्गर पिज़्ज़ा हमें पता ही है पाकिस्तान वालों को कितना पसंद है तो ये सेम ही होता है। ये सोचा उनके नेक्स्ट जो है मेरे दोस्त जो है
तो वहाँ पे मोस्ट ऑफ दी क्रिश्चियनिटी फॉलो की जाती है और बाकी जो सब माइनॉरिटीज़ में आता है जैसे ज्यूइश हो गया, बुद्धिस्ट हो गया, हो गया। की बात की जाए तो वहाँ पे आप अगर स्ट्रीट पे गार्बेज को थ्रो करते हैं तो वो बहुत गलत समझा जाता है। और यहाँ पे तो लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ वहाँ पे अगर आप 2 से ज़्यादा बार अगर कार का ऑर्डर बजा रहे हैं तो लोग आपको मतलब के देखेंगे और अगर आप पब्लिक में किसी से बदतमीजी से बात कर रहे हैं तो मतलब ये बहुत बुरा एक समझा जाता है। और अगर पेरेंट्स अगर हमारे चाइल्ड को अपील करते हैं लाइक मतलब उनके डायरेक्टली भी कर रहे हैं बट वो चीज़
अच्छा हमारी यदि हो गई है ये जो भी अभी आप कैसा फील कर रहे हैं? स्ट्रेस का था वो सारा उतर गया, सुकून हो गया लाइफ में।
फालतू क्या होगा ना, मुझे उर्दू में बताया चलो, मेरी क्या करें आप मुझे उर्दू में बताएं।
हमारे इस कंट्री जो है वो निवास मुसलमान के
हमको फील किया जाता है कि यू आर नॉट फ्रॉम हियर एंड उनको थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्टनेस ज़्यादा नहीं जाती इवन फॉर द लोकल लॉज एंड क्रिमिनल उनको डिस्क्रिमिनेट किया जाता है दे हैव टू फेस मेनी बट सिवियर पनिशमेंट इफ दे आर नॉट लोकल्स नॉट स्पेसिफिकली लोकल्स बट इफ दे आर नॉट
मैं कंगा करता ही
एंड द प्रिजन सिस्टम इज
वही,
ओवर हियर
मैं करता ही कसम से नहीं करता।
they treat their prisoners very well क्योंकि
नहीं करते ना तो क्या करें पहले
बोला गया था कि उन्होंने
जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती।
बिना डेफिनेशन होती है और मजबूत हेल्दी रहता है।
उनको अच्छा ट्रीट करते हैं उनको अच्छा खाना देते हैं
रात को सोने से पहले देखें सुबह के बाल अच्छे होंगे देख के देखिए
दिखा यार आज मैं करूँ सर्कुलेशन करूँ।
यस जिससे मैंने जो भी जैसा उसने अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया था कि किसी वजह से ही गॉट इट प्रिजन एंड उसको
On that, I will also discuss you about the cultural relativism between Pakistan culture and the South African culture. That there is more relativity between the Pakistan culture and tutorial culture. But I want to discuss about the relativity is in between the folk race and marriage, rather more than anything else. In addition to this, I want to describe you guys about the culture shock that I observe when I am talking to that person. He said that when funeral happens in the Pretoria, they preserve the body or freeze the body for about 6 days until the king or queen of the tribe come. Or if they are busy in their schedule, the person's body remains in the freezer for about 11 to 12 days. That's the culture shock that I observed. Even I thought that you also get a culture shock after hearing that.
Their unique norms and rituals, the one which I found very unique is their wedding style. So the first one is when a groom's family visit bride home. So the bride serve coffee with sugar to everyone except the groom, and then salt to his coffee and water to his supper without any facial expression.
खामोशी
My name is Ali and we have selected our topic, we have selected a city that is called Ankara, that is the second largest city in Turkey. It has a population about 5 million people approximately. And means के मतलब जो तुर्की में if anyone goes their shop to buy bread, they usually pay for 2 because to help the poor and the needy.
Languages and different traditions. So first we refers to pattern of activity and the symbolic structure and what gives it symbolics.
The Kerala culture do not the specific culture. Kerala culture is a mixture of America, France, British influence. Parent and he live and they live together. North and they are conservative. They
Ali say hi. Say hi.
Important part in the Florence city is as you can see there are some of the foods. Okay, first of all I'm going to tell this cake. This cake actually have the flag of Florence and no one is there to take this cake on the funerals or any occasion that, like for example if anybody is not okay and you're just going to visit them in the hospital, so don't ever dare to take this cake over there. Okay, and one important thing is that in winter they love to drink rattlesnake soup. And even though rattlesnakes, they think that is one of their god's favorite animals, instead of drinking their soup, they used to eat them raw as well. And they also make this kind of a stew with the tomatoes and the rattlesnake soups and everything. The second is the events. Okay, this is one of the most important events. It takes place in the east as one of the gods for the people of Florence, and they have to worship them. they have to worship them. But some of the stories tell us that it was invented in 62 BC for the political and strategic purpose. Florence is called the birth of resilience because most of the writers in the period of 15th to 16th centuries were sprung from this city in the hilly areas of Italy. That's why it is called the birthplace of resilience.
Always stable in Kyoto, any other vegetable, food, any other vegetable, meat, fish, agreement and security. Their sign arise the stuff of fertility, the stuff of life and the symbol of fertility. Sake is a type of drink containing alcohol which is made of fermented rice, poultry, malt and yeast. It contains alcohol around 15% for all
that is made in the Japan, especially in the Kyoto region. As you know, Tokyo, as we just showed you the two pictures of Kyoto and Tokyo. The main reason behind that was like Tokyo is a very advanced and very fast-paced city rather than Kyoto. Kyoto is more like a village, but it's like more of a cultural hub for it.
Families of both from home and right sides, they used to involve in organization of wedding. And the last day after, the bride and groom take around the table of the guests to meet and spend some time with the guests they welcome. And after that, at the end, the people and the families decorated their cars and make some fun so that easily bride and groom can enter in their new life. Now further
in a culture also, one more thing I have seen that mostly like we people keeps it, we don't keep everything in a routine, but they keeps everything in a routine and they perform it. And we have a weekend, they makes a weekend only on Sunday, family get